プリモピアットパスタ料理です。名付けて娼婦風スパゲティ。あまりにも
Welcome to Cooking for Weebs and welcome to part 2 of Okuyasu's meal from Jojo's Bizarre Adventure part 4. So last week we drank some water and we ate a tomato and mozzarella pasta. So in case you missed it, you can watch the video here. This week we're making the primo piatto or the spaghetti alla Puttanesca. So we shall continue the meal, yes? Apparently, Tonio makes this pasta really spicy, but Okuyasu is also very weak. So I don't know. For this recipe, I'm going to give a little bit of my own twist, so I hope you like it. Be prepared to lose a tooth if you've got a cavity. Let's go. Okay, first things first, water, put it on max, bunch of salt. Okay, the water is boiling, pasta in. Now that the pasta is boiling, we're going to work on our sauce. So let's chop up everything that we need to cut first. We're going to cut these cherry tomatoes in half for the sauce. So this will be about a cup of cherry tomatoes. Okay, next we're going to dice up 3 cloves of garlic. And lastly, we're going to dice up about 3 fillets of anchovies. Good thing you bought these for the tomato salad. Now you can use them again. Alright, let's make our sauce. Alright, so our pasta is done. We can drain it and set it aside. So in a hot pan, we're going to heat up some oil and we're going to fry up our garlic and anchovies. This step will really let the flavors release out of these strong ingredients. In Tonio's recipe, he uses red peppers, and I've actually never had a spicy pasta until this year, and it was made by a Moroccan friend of mine, and he uses harissa, which is a Moroccan chili paste, and that pasta was so delicious. So I think that this would be a really good replacement for the spiciness of the red peppers. I'm going to give this a nice half teaspoon. This is quite spicy actually, so you can put as much as you want, but not too much. Once you smell all the beautiful smells coming out of it, we're going to put in our cherry tomatoes. And of course, this is a pasta sauce. So we're going to add some crushed tomatoes or diced tomatoes here and let it all cook down. So let's say about ½ cup. And for the olives, I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons. You can definitely put more or less according to your taste. I actually really like olives, so I'm going to put a little more actually. And there's your pasta sauce. We'll just let that simmer a little bit more. Alright, so our sauce is done. We're going to drop in our pasta and give it a good old mix. Okay, now it's time to plate our dish. Put down a base of the pasta. Try to get that swirl nice. Okay, whatever. And then we'll put on a bunch of the sauce on top. And he puts Parmesan cheese on the pasta. I'm out of Parmesan, but I do have this old cheddar. So I'm going to just indiscriminately shred a bunch of cheese on top. So there you have it, your spaghetti alla Puttanesca. Okay, alright, it's time to try it. It's just the spaghetti. I done goofed. So it's not that spicy at all. Like, you can taste the undertones of spiciness, but the main flavors that come ahead is the garlic and anchovies, which is really good. But I want this to be more spicy. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, And stay tuned for the rest of the meal, which is lamb chops and what was it? Lamb chops and pudding, right? I hope you make the pasta. It's really good.